Good day everyone, I am Nerly Malumabaw Mustafa
And I am Marjorie O. Vicente, and we are the first year college students of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English.
in University of Southern Mindanao Palma Cluster. In this video, we're going to discuss the movie of Ishan entitled Every Child is Special.
But before that, let's talk about special and inclusive education.
So Marge, ano nga ba yung special education? Pwede mo bang i-share sa amin?
So, ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo kung ano nga ba ang special education. So, ang special education, ito yung uri ng edukasyon na nagdisenyo upang matugunan ang pangangailangan ng mga mag-aaral na may mga kapansanan o tulad ng may learning difficulties or may mga kondisyon sa kanilang pag-iisip na nakakapekto sa kanilang pag-aaral. So, ang special education, ito yung isang serbisyo para ang mga mag-aaral na nangangailangan o may kailangan sa kanilang pag-aaral is matugunan at syempre para rin matuto sila hanggang sa pagtanda nila.
Okay guys, so yun yung special education.
So, next is ipapaliwanag naman sa atin kung ano yung inclusive education.
So, inclusive education ay isang diskarte sa pagtuturo na nagbibigay ng pantay or equal opportunity sa lahat ng mga estudyante. Kabilang narito yung mga may kapansanan, yung mga estudyante sa ilalim ng special education, at pati na rin yung mga estudyante na galing sa iba't ibang kultura at wika. So, layunin ng inclusive education na lumikha ng isang kapaligiran na sumusuporta at tumutugma sa pangangailangan ng bawat mag-aaral.
So, yun yung kahulugan ng
Inclusive education.
Yes, inclusive education. Matapos naman ang special and inclusive education, so ano naman yung mga importansya nila na nabibigay sa lipunan o sa mga mag-aaral na nangangailangan?
So, based on our own understanding, special and inclusive education is to help students with special needs develop skills to be more productive member of a society.
So, next is, pupunta naman tayo sa next discussion na kung saan i-discuss natin o titingnan natin, papanoorin natin yung clip ni Ishan na entitled Every Child is Special.
Stop it, trouble! Stop it! Stop it! Enough is enough. Get out! Get out of my class! Out!
My goodness, imagine being told that you're not good enough, you're lazy, you're stupid. Ay, no. For many children, this is so harsh reality.
Yes, agree.
Agree. But what if we told you that every child is special with unique talents and abilities is waiting to be discovered?
So, yun yung pinapanood natin na movie na si Ishan is merong disability na dyslexia. So, it means na mahirapan siya sa pagbabasa or pagsusolve ng mga problems sa math at pagbabasa sa mga wordings. Ngunit, siya ay magaling sa imagination tsaka sa may arts. So,
Yes.
siya ay artistic, na-discover niya yun.
So many children struggle in traditional educational system. Feeling nila hindi sila fit in or hindi nila kaya yung mga normal na educational system.
Yes. So, dito, papanoorin natin yung clip ni Ishan kung saan kung paano siya mag-imagine at mag-drawing or gamitin ang kanyang kakayahan sa kanyang sariling mundo or kanyang artistic na kakayahan. So, magaling talaga siya sa may arts or
Ishan finished his drawing, and in his
pag-drawing.
eyes, it looked
Yes,
like the
may
picture was
sarili siyang
alive. He glanced
imagination.
over at the artiste.
Magaling siya mag-imagine kahit anong bagay.
Bindas, Captain Ishan! Mission Impossible Binigla!
Meet Ram Shankar Nikamb. Siya ang guro ni Ishan.
Na nag-discover or tumulong para ma-discover ni Ishan yung kanyang unique talent sa artistic. So, tingnan natin yung clip na ilalagay namin dito
Na kung saan makikita natin yung guro ni Ishan.
So, yan yung guro niya na nagtulong sa kanya para mabuksan yung talent niya, yung skills niya sa pag-painting or sa skills niya sa kanyang
Ishan would still be the
pag-drawing.
quiet boy who saw words dancing in front of him. Thanks to the teacher, Ishan was now shining like
So
a
with the
star.
help
When
of
summer break came,
patience,
Ishan's parents
understanding,
arrived to
and
pick him
right
up from school.
approach,
They were shocked
every
at how
child
different
can
everything
succeed
was.
and reach
Before,
their
even
full
the teachers had
potential.
thought Ishan should be sent
So,
to a
yun lang
special
talaga
school.
yung kailangan
But
ng
now,
mga
all the
may
teachers
mga
could do was praise
kapansanan
him.
sa
Looking at their
pag-iisip.
energetic,
Yung
confident
pag-iintindi
son,
sa kanila
Ishan's parents were
at
deeply moved and
pag-iintindi ng
thankful for the art
maraming
teachers
tao
offered
na
them.
nakapaligid sa kanila ay makakatulong sa kanila para sila ay maintindihan or sila ay makipag-operate sa bawat isa.
Yes.
At mapalabas nila yung tunay na kanilang mitiin or gusto. So sa pinakita ni Ram, which is ang teacher ito ni Ishan, is ito yung pinapakita niya special and inclusive education na kung saan si Ishan is natugunan yung pangangailangan niya sa edukasyon, which is nagkaintindihan silang dalawa sa pagtuturo niya at nahanap rin or natuklasan rin ni Ishan ang kanyang unique talent or ability na pinakita niya kung saan ay mas magaling siya sa artistic or arts.
We can recognize and celebrate the unique strengths and
Ishan's
talents
parents were
of every
deeply moved and
child.
thankful for the art
Let's
teacher's
unlock the
efforts.
potential
On this
within
day,
every
Ishan
child.
had his hairstyle
Let's
just
make
like
it
the teachers,
difference.
and they promised
We
to
can
make an
work
effort
together to
celebrate.
create
The substitute
inclusive,
teacher, who had been
supportive
filling
learning
in, decided to stay at the
environments.
school for good.
And that's all. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
watching. Bye.
We hope that you learned a little bit. Bye!